Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the highest quality videos when exporting your projects on CapCut. So first, you can just start by editing your video in a 9:16 ratio, and you can change it under the ratio here and click on this ratio. And after that, you can go to adjust, and you need to increase the sharpen to 30 and then the exposure to 5. Okay, until it becomes like this. Now click on this box right here. Okay, so before you exporting your project, you need to make sure that the resolution is on the 1080p and also the frame rate is on 30. And after that, you can just export the video and you'll get the highest video quality for your edit. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.